What's up, Hunter Army? It's your boy JxHunter25 back with another review, a food review this time. And today we are reviewing candy popcorn. Sour Patch Kids edition. Oh yeah. Candy popcorn. I seen this at the 99-cent store and I said, why not? Let's do like a little food review, aka snack review. This is like a good snack review slash guess candy too. So snack candy review. So yeah, I seen it at the 99-cent store and I said, go make a video for y'all. Sour then sweet. Do anybody like Sour Patch Kids? Delicious. Made with Patch Kids bits. Okay. Okay, here we go. Smells good. For this big bag of popcorn, they sure will give you a little bit. Get some, guys. Get some. You guys are first. The Hunter Army is always first. Go ahead. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Smells good. You guys see that? Yeah. Here we go. Candy popcorn. Sour Patch Kids edition. Here we go. That's really good. Didn't find a better one. Well, another one. If you like Sour Patch Kids, and if you like popcorn, you're gonna like this combination. Now I just need a good movie. The only thing though, they could have gave you a little bit more in the back. Not like this is like half. But it's not bad though. Have a good movie, then you want craving something sweet and sour. This popcorn right here. Oh yeah. That's not bad. You got like a little I can't guess the sweetness of the popcorn. I would say it got caramel, but it's not caramel. Got some. Oh, it does have caramel. Oh no, never mind. Corn syrup. Oh, but it's good. Oh yeah. You don't want no regular popcorn. Then you're craving something sweet. You got your caramel. You got your kettle corn. Now you got your Sour Patch Kids popcorn or candy popcorn. But it's good. You guys will like this. I'll give this candy popcorn Sour Patch Kids edition. Give it an 8 out of 9. So I love sweets, so yeah. Well, like I said, that could have gave you a little bit more. It was like right here. Could have been like a little bit more. They stingy with, especially with the chips too. Like when you get those big bag of chips, and it's all puffy and stuff. And then when you open it, it's like right here and shit, or maybe like right here. Red Bull. You pay like $4. Come on now, $4 or $5. Whatever. But yeah, candy popcorn, 8 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Not reaction, but this review. Go try it. Let me know how you guys like it, and see you in the next video.